Hi guys, welcome back to yet another series of DG Guru. And as promised yesterday, today's topic that I will be sharing with you all is the how many kinds of custom conversions are there, or kind of conversion trackers which we can make with the help of Facebook. The first one is add to cart, right? And the second one is add payment info. The third is add to wishlist. Fourth is complete registration. Next is contact. Then is customize product. Then is donate. Then the next comes is find location. Then after find location, probably it's initiate checkout, purchase, schedule, search, start trial, submit application, subscribe, and view content. These are the complete list of Facebook custom conversion or event tracking that Facebook allows us to do the tracking, right? Like among all these events, if any of the event which is being done on the website, you can track it with the help of these custom conversions. And the process, if I talk about the process, it's very simple. You just need to take the pixel code, fine, and in the fourth or fifth last of the pixel code, there is an option of FBQ is equal to track page view. You just need to change the page view track code, and you need to embed the same name of the conversion tracker that we have opted to make. That tracker we have to, or that fabricated or new developed Facebook pixel code, we will be putting at the head section of that specific page, right? Suppose that when we have embedded the Facebook customized pixel code after changing the FAQ track, the Facebook pixel would be triggered whenever that specific event is being done on the website, right? Hope you have understood the small part of this one, and stay tuned for more explanation. And if you need any specific topic thing that you want me to make a video, do comment in the comment section so that I can make my next video on the same topic. Thank you, and stay tuned for the more videos.